finishing up a cool down walk. I just did my long run for the weekend, and it wasn't too long. It was just a 4 miler. I did 3 miles at an easy pace, and mile 4 I did a really fast pace, my magic mile, according to the Jeff Galloway method, which is just a really fast run, just to see how fast I could go. Let's see, this week I think I did a total of like maybe 10 or 11 miles, so not a lot, but last week I did a lot of miles, so that means next week, this week that's coming, it's going to be a really long run over the weekend, probably, I don't know, maybe 12 or 13 miles to do. So my schedule usually jumps back and forth like that. Shorter miles one week and then longer miles the next. Give my body time to recover. But everything else pretty much the same. Did my short runs during the week, Tuesday, Thursday, and then the long run on the weekend. I did do a 1 mile run on Monday, but I did it as a warm-up before my strength training. Strength training is normally Monday, Wednesday, Friday, which I did as usual. And that was that. Still running in my new running shoes. They still feel really good. The Altras. The only thing that I am a little bit disappointed with is the wear of the shoe. I haven't done more than 30 miles, I think, in the shoe, and the soles are starting to wear out where the heels are already, so I'm not too happy about that. I did read in the reviews for other books that said the same thing. They're really expensive, so I am disappointed in that. So I'm hoping that they will hold up, but I'm probably going to have to buy another pair sooner than later. But that's it. I'll leave it at that, and I'll catch you next time.